Hello everyone, welcome to Get 100 Marks. In today's session, we are going to discuss about implementing e-commerce security. Before looking into implementation, let's understand what does security mean with respect to e-commerce. The term security refers to any techniques which are used for ensuring that the data stored in a computer cannot be read by any individuals without authorization. It also saves from the data to be changed or to be destructed. It not only saves the data or information, it also protects the computer-based equipment, information, and services. The security should also protect the hardwares and softwares of e-commerce companies from any unplanned events and also from natural disasters. Now let's discuss about the security plan, how the security aspects are getting implemented. It follows a 5-step process where we start with performing a risk assessment. Here we will try to understand the vulnerable areas with respect to data production and also the physical component production. Once the vulnerable areas or risk areas are identified, it has to be listed down and it has to be prioritized on the basis of how security plan is going to be established further. Once the risk assessment is done, we will start developing a security policy which will have rules and regulations, and the prioritizations will be uh, authenticated, and the rules will be framed based on the prioritizations. Once the policy is determined, we will go ahead implementing it, and once it is getting implemented, we will try to launch it throughout the organization. And after launching, say the security aspect is working for some period of time with proper maintenance, the audit has to be done in a periodic basis to ensure that the technology of security are updated and it is doing its purpose. On maintenance or on audit, if we get to understand that something is not working, we will start changing. There are different tools which are being used for securing your e-commerce website. To start off with, we have to concentrate on the infrastructure. The key infrastructures has to be strengthened, as that is going to be the major tool for protecting your data and the components used. And widely used security tool is a password, which we might be coming across or we are coming across in everyday basis. Next, people start using firewall. It is a layered protection and digital certification during a transaction, and using encryption during the transaction of data or any information, digital signatures again for authentication. And recently we are seeing so many people are using this biometric scans, which uses either people reading or an DNA screening, something like that is being used today to secure your data and your website. Thank you.